Hi, I'm DiRenzo. In this training series, we're going to continue to utilize the fire department personal harness use for the aid and firefighter removals. We're now going to incorporate a second firefighter versus before we talked about just single firefighter removals. This can be done in a rapid intervention format, or it could also be done in a situation where you encounter a down firefighter from your crew or other operating crews in your area. Here we are, we have a down firefighter. We have to go to extensive distance. We could be in a large commercial setting. The firefighters are going to package the firefighter up. All different ways of packaging the firefighter up, as we talked about with the SCBA conversion, the pompier hook, and its attachment to the single strap conversion with the personal harness, as well as that secondary attachment point we talked about running up through the coat. At this point, we're going to utilize the secondary attachment point up through the coat utilizing the personal harness. So the rescue firefighters determine that there's a down firefighter that needs to be removed. They deploy the pompier hook. We're now going to take it up through the coat. Utilizing this is going to focus on utilizing that pompier hook as a change of direction. We could also use that drag rescue device, the SCBA straps themselves, or replacing the carabiner on the SCBA strap. As stated before, we want to make sure we keep that coat closed, so that way we're avoiding any type of burn injuries to that firefighter. They're going to deploy their piece of webbing or piece of rope that they may have through. As it comes through, they're going to bring it back to each other. They're going to deploy their pompier hooks off their personal harnesses. They'll now come around. Splitting the load of the down firefighter, they can now drag together. By dragging together, it allows them to go an extensive distance, splitting the load of that firefighter, distributing the load between the two rescuers. We're now going to take everything we've done here as far as the packaging is concerned and put it to real time. Now, utilizing the same technique as constructed over here with these other firefighters, we're going to do the inline as well. This time, the firefighters are involved in the removal. It could be extensive, where the fatigue level sets in, and they need to alternate. Same connections are made. The firefighters at this point stagger themselves in line with each other. Okay? This front firefighter serves as the anchor at this point. Next firefighter will tend to drag. As he comes forward, he'll communicate. Give a tap, whatever it may be, he goes. Excellent. That shows how to effectively create and distribute the load that offsets the fatigue level in that narrow hallway environment. Now we're going to go to an apartment setting in a narrow hallway to show in real time the effects of this. We've now discussed several different options for the firefighters to utilize with their partners to personal harness to remove firemen from commercial buildings. I'd like to thank Lowe for sponsoring our segments. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.